Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm working on a 2020 Chevy Silverado. Starter's just clicking. This is going to be that video on what I found and how I fixed it. So please click that like button, subscribe down below. Let's get into this video. Alright, so this starter is just clicking. It don't want to fire up or do anything. I already checked all my fuses right here. They are all good. Like I said, when I go to turn this truck on right here, see, it just gets a clicking sound. That's it. So what I found was this is over here by the battery, there's this cover right here to the battery. Take that off, and I measured all my voltage to this bus bar. This is all good right here. And what I found is from here to here, my starter power is it's not getting the voltage. So what I'm going to do is put this new bus bar on, and then we'll see if the starter turns over. But I think my culprit is right here, which is a 400 amp. It's giving a signal to actually want to click, but it's not getting the amperage to actually turn it. So let's get this off. And like I said, 10 millimeter, 13, 13, 13, little 10 right here, and we're going to pull this whole bus bar off. Okay, I got the new bus bar installed, all the connectors and nuts back on. Had to put the speakers back on. Now let's go see if this truck actually starts. And yay, it started. So there you go, guys. That was my fix for this 2020 Chevy Silverado, which the starter just clicked. Threw me for a loop at first because it was clicking but wouldn't actually engage to turn the motor over. Like I said, all the fuses were good, everything looked good. But once I finally got to that bus bar, I noticed that the voltage going across it wasn't there. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Until next time, have a good day.